Hello Warrior families, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for conferences at Two Rivers High School. First, you'll go to the document with teacher appointment links. Once you're here, you'll see all the teachers' names listed by department. Scroll through to find the teacher you'd like to meet with. Once you find the teacher's name, click on it and then click on the link. This will bring you to the teacher's appointments page. You can see that we will have in-person conferences on Thursday, November 17th and virtual conferences on Monday, November 21st. Just pick the one that works best for your family. I'm going to pick in-person conferences. Once you're here, then you will see this calendar view. Go to November 17th, and then you will see all the times available that day. If you look through here and there's a time that is unavailable, for instance, 6 o'clock is not available, that means that it has already been taken by another family. So just as you are unable to see another family's sign up, other families are unable to see where you have signed up. So you'll just pick a different time that works for you. I'll pick 5 p.m. The system will automatically collect your first name, your last name, and your email address. We are also asking you to include your student's name, and then if you need an interpreter or not. If you don't need an interpreter, just write no. If you do need an interpreter, write yes, and then the teacher will work with our cultural liaison to set up an interpreter for your conference. Click book. Your booking has been confirmed. An email will be sent to the email address that you used to make the appointment. And then you will also get an email reminder the day before the conference. Hopefully that helps you sign up for conferences at Two Rivers High School. If you need any help, please give me a call at 651-403-7037 or email me at angela.corbett@isd197.org.